trading volume of stablecoin Tether USDT in rubles more than tripled to about million on June on the cryptocurrency exchanges against the background of the events associated with the Wagner PUC, according to Bloomberg. The sharp increase in ruble USDT trading volume may be due to the fact that market participants were paying attention to a less volatile asset such as USDT compared to rubles. Because similar trends were not seen for Bitcoin volumes, said Kakata Public Relations Manager Jamie Sly. However, this surge alone does not directly indicate that ruble investors were buying Tether. The largest platforms for ruble transactions, according to XDAT analysts, were Binance, Cryptonex, Hitek, and Coinsbit. The trading volume of USDT to the ruble has reached the highest since last December. Robert Kennedy Jr., the Democratic US presidential candidate, has pledged to support Bitcoin and freedom of funds if he wins the election in. He opposed central bank digital currencies, calling them instruments of control and oppression. His Republican rival Ron DeSantis also promised to defend Bitcoin if he became president. The new management of cryptocurrency exchange FEX recovered billions in liquid assets that were illegally spent by the platform's former founders and managers. Court documents allege that FEX's former management from the beginning used customer funds at its own discretion and created shell companies to withdraw money. FEX's restructuring began in late, and most of its debts to customers have been repaid, including by repaying political and charitable donations. 3 major investment companies have applied for a Bitcoin ETF after BlackRock, one of the largest investment firms in the world, did so. WisdomTree, Invesco, and Bitwise want to launch a spot exchange-traded product based on the first cryptocurrency, but they need to get permission from the SEC. Previously, all attempts to create a Bitcoin ETF in the US were rejected by the regulator. After filing the applications, the price of Bitcoin rose to $29,000. Cryptocurrency company Prime Trust was on the verge of bankruptcy due to a shortage of customer funds and failure to meet withdrawal requests. The regulator ordered the company to stop violating the law. Its competitor Bitto refused to buy Prime Trust after checking its finances. Prime Trust's problems could affect the crypto exchange Binance and the issuer of the stablecoin Toast, with which it had close ties. This was the most breaking news of the past week. See more news at softbro.com. Have a nice day.